Boys. Yeah, man.
One people,
one love, one nation.
Let's support it again.
Yeah, man. Subscribe
to our YouTube
channel. Yeah, man.
Around the city.
Yeah,
this is how it's very amazing, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good, man.
You are just enjoying.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
The vibe is. Yeah, what's up, good people? What's up, good people? Jamaican boy again. Yeah, today is third episode. This episode 3, showing you River Gucha. So please kindly stay tuned, walk with me, and let's see how today River Gucha it's going to appear to us. I'm here with my friend. You know, today I will start with my friend here called, what's your name, guys?
Sobuya, all the way from Darajambiri, Kisii.
Okay, all the way from Daraja. Yeah, and you, man?
I'm Junior from Ogembo.
Yeah, from Ogembo. Okay, yeah man. So let's move on. Today I think you are going to be my nyinyi ndio wenyeji wangu, si ndio?
Yes, ndio wenyeji by the way.
Leo ndo nyinyi ndio mtanisho River Gucha vile na flow. Yeah, so yo msijali. Na unakula nini bro? Unakula kishada?
Sasa nimerauka lazima ni changamsha akili.
Okay. Yeah, big vibe. Let's go on, guys. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end.
Kuna msichana mpigia. Ndio ananiharibu.
Oh my God. Ayuko. Yani plus 2 wase ukaanga.
Hapa sasa ndio wase ukaanga. Uchificha maskari.
Oh.
Uchificha gava.
Oh my God, this is the base.
And you can cool.
Unaweza tulia?
Unaweza tulia hivi
This is a cool place, guys. They are saying that you can just cool.
Yeah. Hiyo ni mwenzetu Chelsea. Bana, hiyo mto ni hapo kitambo ufike juu. Kitambo ufike juu.
Mnapandanga milima hapo.
Furute hivyo Best sasa.
Very nice
one.
Yeah, climbing the hills, guys. It's not easy. Yeah. Kabisa. Enter there and see what is happening.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
And you can eat afya here.
You can take anywhere.
And what you want.
Place.
Huyo bed sasa na kuanga hapa.
Sio hata vile mali
zina mbegu peke yake na kuonyesha hapa ni bed.
Kweli hapa.
Mali na safari.
Yaani hapo unaniambia
kwangu.
Sasa kwa wapi sasa hii?
Sasa yako ni nini? Hii side uko juu. Unapokuwa mzalendo hapo ni miso wetu sijui washo hapo.
Oh. Tuende tu place tuoge.
Tumefanya aje? Tuende tuchukue poro na fegi. Tuende tuoge.
Uko juu.
Tusikizie.
Wewe yule jamaa penye
tunataka tumalizie tukitoka, si ndio?
Hawa tufanya aje?
Chukue tu fuaka.
On the other side.
Fegi ziuzu huku chini.
Sisi zinauzu hapa chuku na kitu na kutembelea hapa. Nishati. Hapo ndio. Kainzi.
Oh, inaumanga. Imetoka? It's not there. Yeah.
So let's go.
Okay, let's go and take bath now.
Yeah. It's going to take part bana.
Guys, the video is very amazing.
Choto ni mingi sana. Tuwe na kuja
sana.
Tuko na sabuni, mafuta.
Tuko nayo. I have everything. Let's go.
Lakini kitu sina nishati ya kubadili.
Haina shida, hata mimi sina.
Nishati ya kubadili.
Hata mimi sina.
Inabidi nifue ndio ningojeka huko.
Sasa hapo si unaona wakati tunaogelea? Tunafua wakati zinakauka. System Yeah man. So we are at River Gucha, still going around. So stay tuned. The video is very amazing, guys. Okay? Yeah, stay tuned. Yep. Okay, guys, go with us. Go with us. I'm with the... Umeniambia unaitwa aje bro? Lewis Obuya. Guys, I'm here with the Lewis Obuya and Junior. Na tunapita aje? Hapo tunaenda soko. We want to see the river. Yeah. We want to see the river, guys. Yeah, so let's see the river.
Meka na mbele.
Yeah.
Hapo sasa.
Iko fine sasa. Haya. Yeah, so guys, kindly today stay tuned. Today I think I'm going to be short because I have people. I have people here around me today. I'm not going to search any people to do with them to show me how the River Gucha is going. Yeah. Today I have them and today niko na wale wabadi sasa. Wenye wameniambia leo tunapita kwa mto ndani, si eti kando huko. They have told me that we are going to walk inside the river, not that up there. Sindio? Eti unaitwa nikumbushe.
Lewis Obuya kutoka Jamaican.
Okay. Yeah. And you bro? Junior. Okay, so this is the river.
River Gucha.
Hii ni River Gucha.
River Gucha.
Waambie wasikie tuko wapi.
Tuko River Gucha.
River Gucha all the way from Nairobi. Mpaka tumefika sasa tuko OG, tuko place inaitwa OG
sasa.
Yeah, OG. So guys, as you can see, this is how this river here it look like. Yeah, it's very nice river. Yeah. It's very nice river. Down here when you see kutoka huko juu unajua haikuwa na mawe hivyo, haikuwa big. Okay, let's go.
Bado unaona maji hivi. Maji kitulia, mvua ikikata maji inapunguka. Mvua ikijaa, maji inajaa mpaka hapa juu hivi unasikia
inajaa mpaka
huko juu. Inajaa mpaka huko. Yaani inajaa yote. Hivi kweli. Yaani ina flow.
Yaani tuseme mvua ikinyesha
hapa hivi. Hakuna kitu kinasapita hata gari. Inachukuliwa.
Yeah, it's a very big river, guys, you know. Yeah, now they are explaining to me that this river, don't see this river like that way. We are passing down here because it's a drought season. Yeah. It's a sunny season. Yeah. When it's come rain season, no one can pass. Yes. No one can pass. No one can cut in this river, guys.
You can see a kid here.
Yeah, when water is when water is many,
is many sasa.
Kama maji ni mingi.
Kama maji ni mingi sasa unapata ina turn around hivi unaona inazunguka round unashindwa pia mapepo yako hapo.
Now guys, you know this boy he is very funny. Now we are in the river. We are not outside. You are inside the river.
Inside the river.
Yeah, because you are walking. Today we are walking inside the river, inside the water. You can see our leg. Yeah. We don't fear water because he was born we get water. Yeah, kindly stay tuned, Jamaican Boy Africa. If you are the first time to see this face here, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, enjoy watching the video. Yeah, the video is very amazing. I'm here with my friend. Yeah, you have a boyfriend? No. Do you have a girlfriend and not a boyfriend?
Girlfriend called Cynthia.
Oh, you have a girlfriend?
Yes, yeah.
Called Cynthia.
No, mazan.
Okay.
Yeah. Mtoto mmoja.
Oh, you have a kid?
I have a kid, my friend.
Okay.
Na niko na mtoto mmoja.
Ako na miezi ngapi?
Ako na mwaka mmoja na miezi 7 hivi.
Mtoto wako?
Mtoto wangu sasa. Wangu damu. Sura yangu
Okay, he said that he has a kid. He has a wife. Uko na wife?
Niko na wife.
Oh, okay. Now you are grown up, okay?
I'm a grown
up. That's how it is. Yeah, when you say that you have to marry, You just married. And you, bro?
Then I have a wife.
You have a wife?
Yeah.
Sure?
My first born.
Wow. So guys, today I'm walking with the big boys. Yeah, today I'm walking with the big boys, and they are the one who they are showing me how this river it look like, okay?
Yes.
But today the way I've told you that I have get them earlier, so we are not going to walk very far. Yeah, we will just walk and show you, and in front there I see like a bridge. Yeah. I see like a bridge penye watu wanapitanga.
Hiyo ni daraja
Yeah, daraja. So let's go and see the bridge. Yeah, and many other things. Hiyo bridge inavuka kutoka Oji kienda wapi?
Sasa inavuka Oji. Kielekea ng'ambo inaitwa aje?
Amujui hiyo ng'ambo?
Inaitwa.
Oh,
ng'ambo unajua mimi ni mwakisi.
Base.
Base.
Yeah, so guys you can see that's the bridge. Yeah, this is the bridge guys. Look. The bridge here is very amazing. Very very amazing bridge. Na wameitengeneza na chuma.
Chuma.
Halafu hizi blocks tu ndio waliweka za cement. Yeah, so
hizo wa koloni hizo.
Oh, hizi ya wakoloni.
Hiyo ni wajanja tu hao.
Oh, hawa
MCA magava.
Jua kali.
Wakula pesa.
Wakikula pesa. They like jua kali. Yeah, so guys you can see they are building nearness to the river. No problem because unataka kuniambia hii maji kijaa iwezi pita huko. Hii maji kijaa sana inapitanga huko sasa. Inashika hivi. Unaona haiwezi guza ile nyumba.
Hapa si wataweka block.
Oh, wataweka hapa. Okay. Hey, this river is very 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 huge guys. Na ni kubwa kutoka huko ng'ambo mpaka hapo. Guys, this is bigger than River Migori. It's bigger than River what? I don't think River Nile. River Nile is big. It is bigger than a river at river.
At river.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, so I'm with these two grown-up boys.
You can see.
Yeah, we are walking with them today, showing you the river. Yeah, this is the bridge. Yeah, you can see people there usually pass. You know, we are walking inside the river. We are walking inside. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how we are going. This is how we are going. Yeah, everything is nice. Everything is okay here. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Go with us. And you are going to see. You are going to enjoy today, guys. I'm here with the boys.
Yeah. You are going to enjoy.
Yeah, tell them we enjoy. Waambie we enjoy.
We enjoy bana.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Sasa hii maji imepunguka hivi. Mawe tu ndio iko juu,
mawe peke yake.
Mawe peke yake. Maji ni kidogo, hata Yesu kwa mtoto.
Ukweli maji. It's not very big, many.
Hapa ndio wanaume wanaogea sasa.
Oh, ni hapa.
Hapa sasa ndio washing.
Huko mwisho hivi.
Unaona kufanya washing hapa hivi. Hapa ndio washing.
Hapa si wanajiosha huko.
Piga shower.
Oh.
Wale wamekaa huko.
Kuna watu huko wanaoga. Yeah, this is another part of River Nile, guys. As you can see. Yeah, this is another place of River Nile. Yeah, this is another part. Wow. Yeah, it's Jamaican boy here talking with my friends here. Na hizi mawe zinatereza bwana. Mtu anaweza anguka. Yeah, look. See how it look like. Very beautiful environment. Na unakulanga kumbe?
Ninakulanga fake.
Okay. Hebu piga tuone. Yeah, we call it
something here.
Oh, there is something here. Okay, you are with your friend here.
You can see on the other side we have guys who are enjoying.
Yes, on the other side there is some people who are enjoying. Yeah, the view is very nice. They have visited River Gucha. You can see they are up there. Yeah, very amazing sitting while wakipunga upepo, si ndio?
Sasa hapa ndio wanaogeanga kwa deep.
Hapa ndio deep. Hapa ndio wanaogelea.
Bali maji imetulia hivi. Bali maji imetulia hivi sasa.
Okay. Washafua. Okay, they have already washed their clothes, their yards. Kindly you can see, guys, they have washed their yards. Yeah, very nice. And there is other people there. They really like to wash themselves in a river.
Gucha.
River Gucha. River Gucha. And tutaogelea hata sisi, si ndio?
Tutaogelea kidogo.
Tutaogelea tu kidogo alafu tuoge. Niko na mafuta hadi tunajipaka. Everything. Tukitoka sasa hapa. Ni foam. Yeah, guys. Very smart.
River Gucha.
Yeah, this River Gucha. Wow, very smart. You know, today I have big boys. They are smoking cigarettes.
Yes.
They are smoking cigarettes. Me, I don't do that, guys. But cigarette, yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
But you have to maintain. Don't smoke it fully. Fully. Don't smoke it each and every time. Yeah, you have to smoke once a time.
You keep time.
Yeah. So I'm here with you guys. I'm very appreciative. What is this? Hii ni rigakara.
Hii ni ile kitu inaumanga. Ile iko na meno mbili.
Ikikupata kwa mtoni ukioga.
Oh, inaweza kukata hata kidore.
Alafu inatembea pole tu. Iko na makasi.
Sasa hii ndio makasi.
Hii ndio makasi sasa. Unaona hii sasa.
Guys, look.
Hii sasa.
Oh, guys, look. It look like a saiso. Makasi inaitwaje? Yeah, saiso.
Alafu iko na
Oh my God, wallahi haki ya Mungu. Iko na spring.
Unaona sasa. Inakata.
Oh my God. This is what we call I don't know how can I call it, but this is found in water, guys. When you wash yourself, it may cut you. This is very dangerous animal. Very dangerous animal in the water. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. So you have to be very keen when you are washing in a river.
River
Gucha. Gucha, guys. Yeah, man. Okay, so guys, you know, we have lunch. We have take lunch. Utakata toa kwanza hii mayai. This egg, guys. We have to take lunch. Eggs is here for lunch. Eggs is here for lunch, guys. Yeah, very nice. You know, egg. Ukikula mayai hata moja, it's very nice. Yeah, per day, sindio? But here we are going to take eggs, guys. Kindly stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. Enjoy watching the video. We have eggs, we have kachumbari. Show them kachumbari.
Kachumbari is here.
Yeah,
tumejipanga bana, tumejipini mbaya.
Yeah, tumejipin guys. Yeah. Tumejipin. Yeah man. Utagongewa? Nasima yai. We chunga utagongewa. You know kugongewa is what, guys? Nasima yai. Guys, let's be together. Yeah, enjoy watching the video till the end. The video is very amazing. Yeah, the video is very amazing here. Yeah, we are just enjoying at River Gucha here. We are enjoying at River Gucha here, guys. Stay. Woza. Lazima tujipange, lazima tukule bro. Ndo tuendelee kutembea River Gucha. Ukishatembea River Gucha ndo tuoge, hatuwezi toka hapa tumesweat. Mimi nikatanga. Eti nizunguke River Gucha alafu nitoke sijaoge kwa nini? Yeah, ukizunguka lazima uoge. Ama ni aje? Yeah, for real, Buddha. Yeah man. Kachumbari iko, don't eat without kachumbari. I don't take kachumbari, I will take it just the way it is, guys. Yeah, this is egg. Yeah, and this is how we eat egg in at River Gucha here.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice, guys. Very nice meal. Hii ni lunch yetu. Hiyo ya hii mtakatana, sawa? We are eating for lunch. Yeah,
It's lunch time, man.
it's lunch time. Uko safi? Ndio. Kila mtu ako na place na wewe. Guys, it's hard to put kachumbari. You know, we don't have tools. We are just using local. Yeah.
Amazing.
Very amazing lunch. We call it delicious.
Protein.
Yeah, protein, delicious. You know, you have to put salt.
And kachumbari and then eat.
Yeah, and the kachumbari.
Hapo ndo msange kwa jankito kwa hivi. Ange paki. Ange paki.
When I tell you that it's amazing, it's really amazing. It's not jokes. The video is amazing. Don't scroll the video. Watch the video till the end, because when you scroll the video, you will not enjoy the video. Yeah, you will not enjoy the taste of the video. Yeah. Now, when you scroll the video, which taste did you hear? Surely, no taste, guys. So stay tuned. We are taking lunch. After taking lunch, we are going on. You know, we have been walking from morning,
From morning.
Toka saa 12. Hey, manze. This vibe, Jamaican people. Boo, boo, boo. We love you people. We love you people of USA. We love you people all over the world.
Yeah.
From where you are watching from. We love you guys. I'm here with the Conky Master, the black man, the big man here. Today is today. We are going to take part in this river and enjoy, guys. And I have someone here called Mr. Bobby. You know he's a bro. He's light skin. Bro, sisi ni magangsta. Kikinuka turudi nyuma. Ni pupu.
Toka siaka. Hapa one vumbi.
Yeah. Enjoy watching the video till the end.
Wow.
Yeah, the video is very amazing here. Yeah, we are enjoying watching. As we are enjoying making your video, enjoy watching our video.
Yeah.
We love you people. And if it's your first time to see this face here, this face, let me show you. This face here for Jamaican Boy Africa.
Wow.
Please kindly subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe, like, comment. Don't pass without a like. like it's just to put a finger. Like ta. Subscribe, it's just a finger. Ta. And even to watch, you have to watch. To watch is you are enjoying yourself to watch me. We are showing you River Gucha, how it's look like. And we will really enjoy batting. After we got tired, we have to bat. Back at work. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know here guys is very bushy. We can find even a snake. Yeah, look the way it's look like. It's very cold. You hear only the sound of water. Water sound. Water sound only. I'm here with my friends here. So we are going on. Bushika hivi bro. Nimulike sasa songa mbele.
Beautiful place.
Yeah, this very beautiful place, guys. And a very nice place.
Very nice place.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, songa tu ndani. Yeah, what's up guys? If it's your first time to watch this video, please kindly subscribe. I'm sacrificing my life. You know this is very dangerous place. As you can see, even snake can live inside here.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can get like a chupa here. Kudunge. Malize.
Yeah.
Kiweza tungulia hivi usikie snake.
Bali. Moraro. Nalilunono.
Amina siwezi kimbia.
Alafu inanua kichwa unasimama hivi.
Mimi naweza ishika kichwa hivi.
Nimekuteka tu hivi.
Haki ya Mungu bora si eti ni yenye naweza ninyonga hivi. Na inakuja. Ndio ukikimbia. Naona ukikimbia.
Itaingia hadi kwa maji. Unaweza umia.
Ile sasa kwa maji ndio itakuua. Yeah, we are talking the story about the snake. You can show them yeah, okay, wait I go. Ngoja niende mbele kidogo. Yeah. Okay, sasa nimekuja nikienda hivi. Twende.
Sasa hapo ndipo.
Yeah, so guys, I'm in a very dangerous place now in at River Gucha. Oh my God, clean.
Kagale kachuma.
See, you know, many things which is
not common.
You know water, maji inabebanga vitu mingi. So this is the dirt. Water is carrying many type of dirt. Everything. Wale watoto wanaokotanga chuma wakiweza pata hiyo. Nafurahia sana. Nafurahia. Hapo.
This is a dangerous place.
Yeah. Unanimulika? Alafu nimekupa simu.
Hapo unaweza kanyaga tu chini. Alafu kanyaga maji. Hapo si mbali sana.
Hapa
si a beautiful place.
Unaweza fuka mpaka ng'ambo mle.
Unaweza enda huko.
Sasa tunaweza enda. Angalia. Tupite huko, tungepita hapa. Hawa tungepitia hapa katikati, tufike tuende hivi.
Tule inua kamera chupa.
Inatoa fiti. We are enjoying.
Hapa hivi napokaa uchi.
Ungepata muti. Shika hii. Unatumika kuona ni wapi mrefu. Usianguke.
Guys, unanimulika, unajua unimulika.
Nakumulika.
Okay, make sure unanikata. Kabisa. Yote juu. Utavuka.
Tungerudi upitie hapa. Kuja upitie hapa.
Okay.
Sisi tumefikia hapa karibu.
Let's go now.
Hapa kwa ile mawe.
Mulika juu. Tunaangalia mawe.
Naona hata hakuna mawe hapa.
Tuende kama huko kuna daraja tuvukie huko. So guys, it's very deep. We can't pass here. Show them the water.
It is a huge amount of water.
Hapo hivi. Na bado tena ni
kiangazi bado.
Ni kiangazi.
Tuende sasa. Si tunaenda hivi.
Kushikia kama.
Tuende tu. Mimi hapa najua vile napita.
Okay, inafaa tu mulike vile napita. Cameraman piki hapo. Yaani cameraman unafaa ufuate. Mimi ndo namulika. Unafuata wenye unafuata. Sio tu wewe unamulika wenye unafuata, unamulika wenye unafuata.
Ndio naona mko wapi sasa?
Yeah, so guys, we are still moving. We are still going. Yeah, River Gucha is still nice, very nice and interesting. This is episode 3. We are going until episode 5 in this River Gucha. Let's go. Ndio nimeshindwa kwani samaki imeruka hapa.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's
okay,
go.
guys. We are here. You can just see the affordable house here. Yeah, this is the affordable house. They are building a very big house. It's called the affordable house, guys.
There's another one.
There's another one.
There's another one.
Oh, the other side. Yeah, but it's a one, huh?
It's not a one.
Oh, there are two. So guys, you can see here, affordable house. This is one building, and there is another building the other side. So this is called affordable house for those who are employed. Na watakuwa wanalipa bado rent.
Ndio wanalipa rasima.
10,000. Na hiyo unakatwa na serikali, si eti unapeana. Hiyo ni serikali inakukata. Lakini Ruto. Lakini hata hivyo after 10 years bado hizo zitabaki kusaidia wengine. Si eti ni zake. Pia zitaemploy watu. Watu si watakuwa wana nini? Watu watakuwa wanafanya kazi hapa ndani.
Unaona wakati maji sasa imetulia hapa ndio base yake sasa.
Ndio ile. Oh my God. This is very amazing. Bad. So we have to go first and then we wash. Twende basi tuoge ndo. Sawa. This black stone. Oh, ukihit inatoka tu yenyewe.
Sasa hapo hivyo ukiweka kitu kama hii sasa itali itali unajiweka hapo hivyo. Naasha nare. Inachemsha alafu
okay.
Inachemka yenyewe.
So Juina, you know guys, where they are burning stone so that it comes soft to burst. Yeah, okay. You can see they have burned it, so it has ikona mistari ya kupasuka. It has crack because of burned. Hadi wanakuja hapo hivi. Yani isha akipiga one inatoka. Aya. So let's go. Yeah, see even this one, guys. Yeah, very amazing.
On the other side, we have a big forest.
Kuna mtu huko.
Anasikizia na jaba peke yake. Ndani ya msitu.
Ako na jaba.
Sio msako hapo. Bani umuone. Mtoni hapa.
On the other side.
Tunapita wapi?
Wapi?
Still we are walking around River Gucha, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, still we are going around River Gucha. Stay tuned.
And there's the smallest daraja.
Yeah, man.
Tengenezwa na Wapurundi. Wa nini? Wakoroni.
Wakoroni.
Colonizer. These are court.
Oh, these are courts of this area. Oh, these are court guys of OG. Yeah, this fund in OG guys around the River Gucha. Yeah, it's near the river. You just imagine the river is just here. Very near. Yeah, these are forest. Yeah, these are little forest. Just a little, but you know the reason I told this our subscriber that the reason why the people do plant this tree, why they do plant this tree around the riverbank. Why?
And,
kwa nini wanapanda?
Kwa sababu ndio hata isisumbue magistrate hapo hivyo kotini.
Okay.
Unaona?
Yeah, this is the magistrate guys.
Magistrate hapo hivyo.
Yeah. Yeah, very cold. It's very cool. This is the river guys. This is a river. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm a riverman, Jamaican boy from East Africa. Jamaican boy Africa. Yeah, stay tuned, watch the video till the end. If you are it's your first time to see this face for Jamaican, this channel for Jamaican boy Africa, please kindly stay tuned, watch the video till the end. Don't scroll the video. The video is very amazing.
Utafuka?
Kwa daraja? Oh, tunapita tu hapo. Na mafegi tunashika wapi?
Juna mafegi.
Oh, si tunaenda kumbe kwa ile daraja ya huko. Kuna maduka. Oh, so wacha wasiwasi. Sasa kitufanya Juni, ni wapi tunaogelea sasa? Inafaa tuende tu direct mpaka hapo. Yeah, so kindly guys, we are in the fine place. Fine place. Oh my God.
Hello.
Hello, great people. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
I'm good, man.
You are just enjoying?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
The vibe is very lit. The vibe is lit,
just
guys. Yeah, we are here with my friends. Yeah, with my friends, guys. Yeah, the way you see.
Yes.
Yeah, now we want just to take a bath. All of us.
Yes.
Tunataka kuoga alafu tuende Guera, bro.
Like this.
Hadi mimi nadai kwenda Guera. So tunadai kuoga, niko na sabuni, niko na dodoki. Lakini tunaoga na boxer tafadhali.
Tuko na mafuta.
Tuko na mafuta. Huyu mse ana boxer.
Greetings.
Sisi zetu zitakauka huko hivi.
Bro.
Muda wote tukioga.
Greetings.
Okay, greetings. Mpe fuaka kwanza huko kwa maji. Greetings.
Usa mkono hapo.
Greetings.
You are enjoying the vibe.
Yeah, enjoying the vibe. Mse anakaa anajua hizi maneno. Wallahi.
Si lazima nilipe simu.
Inafaa ukuje mwenyewe ujibambe. Hey, it's not must that you can pay swimming pool. Yeah, swimming pool is water like this water here. This is natural water. Swimming pool it has. Unajua swimming pool iko na madawa.
Yes.
Yeah, they really put they really treat the water, but this is natural.
Yeah, this is natural.
This is so natural.
We are Rasta people. We love natural.
Yeah, man. Yes. We love natural. Natural is our best.
Yes. We don't care.
Our best is.
Yeah.
We believe in Most High.
Yeah, man.
Even
even the goat is here. You know now, guys, we are in the batting place.
We're enjoying the nature.
We are enjoying the nature.
Yes, like that. Yes, I.
Enjoying the nature at River Gucha.
In Ogembo.
At River Gucha.
Location Ogembo.
Location Ogej OG.
Ogembo, Kisii Town.
Kisii Town.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yes, I.
Yes sir.
Ni shawa ya maana.
Shawa ni ya maana. Maji ni ya maana.
Maji ni ya maana bro.
Maji ni uhai da.
Aya, water is everything.
No matter what.
No matter what, water is everything.
We are Rasta people.
Rasta people, we are enjoying the nature. We really love nature, Rasta man.
Yeah.
That's why you see me around the nature each and every time. I do nature.
We love it.
Yeah, I do nature. For me, I do nature. Hakuna kitu napenda kama nature. Yeah. So you are washing the clothes?
I'm washing the clothes here.
Yeah, after there you want to take
I want
bath.
to take bath here.
Yeah, and enjoying the nature.
Yes,
like this, my friend here. Dedri.
Hello.
Yeah,
We
man.
are enjoying.
Along Lilo.
We live life. We don't live people's lives.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
We live our lives. We don't live people's
And
lives.
we love it.
Yeah, and we love
And
it.
we love it, our life.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I man. Hello.
You're in the natural swimming pool.
Natural. I can't pay. I don't have money.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
You're just chilling in the
I
water
love the
like this,
nature.
and then you go on with your life.
We explore
You
life.
move on.
Yes,
Namna hiyo bana.
Namna hiyo bro. Rasta man forever.
Rasta liberty.
Yeah, man.
We love Rasta liberty.
Rasta man forever, forever, forever.
Tell them overstand.
Eh? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? River Gucha. Yeah, River Gucha.
Yeah.
We are ready for batting. Ready for batting. Ready for batting. Please don't scroll the video. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Hello.
Songa hapa hivi sasa.
Woza, woza.
What's
You are enjoying.
You know, guys, do you have a girlfriend?
No, guy, don't have a girlfriend.
Don't have a girlfriend?
Just we love nature.
Yeah, man, you can
Hello.
introduce and dance. You can dance. Unaweza dance tu ngoma hata kama
Dancing.
si yenye una feel.
Asiuzi.
Una feel tu yenye una feel kwa kichwa.
Bado
ngoma
kuna
yenye wewe
mapanga
umependanga.
le, mapanga
Unaweza enda
le.
nayo kwanza kwa kichwa.
Si ndio? Mapanga le. Ama twende. Chini kwa chini.
Yeah.
Chini kwa chini. Hello. Woza. Long Lilo. This is nature, my brothers. We are in River Gucha,
Yeah.
in Kisii Town, Ogembo,
Yeah, man.
under Ogembo Bridge.
Yeah, man.
We are enjoying. We are Rasta people, Rasta people, Rasta people.
Conquer the Babylon.
Conquer the Bablo. We love nature. Nature is life. As you see, we don't care.
Yeah.
We no fear.
Yeah.
We smoke.
You
we don't.
smoker! Oh my God! You enjoy.
We are enjoying
Yeah,
the
man.
vibe. You see, here we are enjoying with my brothers.
Jamaican boy, with the Jamaican boy. Tell them my
Jamaican
name
boy,
is
this Jamaican boy.
Yeah, I'm here, guys. Just vibing.
Hello.
Vibing. Ah,
Rasta
yeah,
people,
man.
good
The praise of the
Rasta
young Sharon. Oja
people.
can bless me, no one.
Hello, as you see. Yes. Get it? Mango. Hello.
Kuja sasa ujimwagilie maji hapa.
Cattle for life.
Ama kama uwezi jimwagilia wewe iko tu fiti. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
cattle. Nature for life.
Nature for life. Nature for life.
As you see.
Woo! Wola. Yeah, man. After walk very long, we have to take bath.
Yes.
We have sweated, guys. Yeah, and we are doing as normal. I'm doing as normal, guys. Yeah, you have to be strong. You have to be strong, guys.
Yeah, you have to be strong. And very further roving.
I know you, my people. When you see me doing pressure, it's time for batting.
Woo! This is for fishes. Let the fishes enjoy.
Woo!
Nature, enjoy life. Yes, enjoy life before you dead. Yeah.
Oh, yeah man. Yeah, making the chest, guys. You see? Yeah, very amazing. I love you, my people. Kindly stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. I'm here with my friend. He's a neighbor in this river around. Yeah, we are just here batting. I have walked with the... Yeah, no problem now. Kabra hiyo vibe nishuke na hiyo joto ishe. Hey, we have to take a bath. Hey! Hey!
Nafuka hapo kweli.
Sio kwa hiyo jiwe.
Sasa nikuanikie. Kama unaogopa.
Pea umsako anikie basi.
Bwana.
Anikie bana hii shike ni. Nimeikausha.
Oya. Kuja.
Kwa hiyo deep mawe usinie.
Yeah, he's cutting the river. Huyo amezoea, huyo ni wa hapa. Hey! Yeah man. And that is it, guys. Enjoying bathing in the river.
This is our life.
Dead tree. Rasta. Harakisha basi twende.
Manila ilienda wapi?
Ona manila niko nayo ndio hii. Ulikuwa na manila? Mimi niko na yangu here. This is what I want to bat with, guys. Yeah, in this river. So stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing. La. Enjoy watching. We are enjoying batting. You enjoy. We enjoy. Yeah, man. And that is it. This is how we wash. That's how we bat. This is how we bat ourselves. Umeamua ukauke, hey. Yeah man, batting.
Dead rice.
Yeah man.
Niwe kama kina yura yoma kama keiga. Yome yonsi.
Mbona mtaki kuoga bana kwa kamera?
Ndio kwanza.
Ni pesa bwana.
Chila minute.
Okay.
Nataka nioshe boxa kwanza ndio nioge.
Aha.
Akio peke yake tuko na.
Acha nioge kwanza, nyinyi mtawarekodi mkioga.
Ndio.
Yo man, unapiga upepo sasa. Chill tu hapa. Oga hapa, oga hapa.
Unaonekana kwa vida.
Kwa vida bro, vida.
Vida, huko uji.
Hatuko uchi. Tunamalizia batting kwa River Gucha. Kwanza hata kumbe tungewasha kama tushaoga.
Ndio.
Zimeisha kwani?
Imebaki moja.
Imebaki moja.
Si tulichoma, unajua
tulinunua super maji mbili.
Hizo mbili tukachoma. Tukachoma urisi yako. Imebaki moja. Imebaki moja na nini?
Lakini kuna yenye mtanunua mchome huko.
Imebaki moja hapo. Tukachoma naye nini super moja moja tukikuja hivi.
Ulipakiza pesa ngapi?
Hapo amechoma urisi moja.
Change ngapi imebaki?
Chechi ni mbaya ile bana. Sio bado tutashika pesa. Tuoge kwanza sana. Sikuwa nimepata.
Yeah man, this is taking bath at River Gucha. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Tunaoga na hizi alafu tunakausha.
Utema pale. Usiseme bwana. Ai, sabuni imeenda.
Sabuni iko.
Si sabuni.
Hiyo pekee yangu
Woo! Batting and enjoy. Unajua sasa nyinyi, mimi wacha nijirekodi mwenyewe. Mimi nitawarekodi yenu.
Ndio sabuni hiyo Juni.
Hata kama una boxer hivyo na kurekodi tu, lakini siwezi rekodi. Eti uchi. Labda kama ni kurekodi nafika hapa
Unakata.
kwenda chini. Siwezi rekodi. Okay, Dodo, we share. We are Africans, guys. Yeah, we are African guys. And this is how we take baths. Wow. So amazing.
Yes, I mean. Mpaka unipasa.
Sieti ona, mimi naona mungeoga na boxer. Alafu sasa
Nataka nioshe, nifanye nioge.
Sawa.
Hakuna haja nioge ndio nifanye.
Yenyewe. Unajua sasa watani okay, our fans.
Ndio maana tumechifuta.
Nataka tuingie wote.
Wananiuliza wapi sasa wenye mlikuwa nao? By batting they have leave you alone. You don't have friends. I have friends. They are just here. They are just preparing to wash. So you are going to see them. You just cool. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing, guys. Oh my God! Hey.
So right now I can take shower right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we are
Around the city.
Yeah,
This is how it's very amazing, guys. Yeah, man.
We have to take shower right
now. Si ajabu, nitakutafuta kesho.
Ukweli tu.
Oya, wewe naye ni aje kwani rada?
Mr. Junior, Mr. Livingstone.
Okay. And there is another friend there.
Mr. Malvin.
He's drying.
Mr. Marvin.
Mr. Malvin. Culture man. He's drying himself.
Yeah.
After long bath.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So kindly, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. The video is very, very, very amazing. The video is very wonderful, amazing, and amazing. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. The video is very amazing, guys. Yeah, this is how we bat in Africa liver.
This is how we bat, man.
African liver.
River Gucha.
Yeah, this is how we bat.
Yeah.
This is how we bat, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. Stay tuned kindly. Oya, jimwagie maji. Yo, si jimwagie maji kwa mgongo. Hivyo. Jimwagie tena. Maji ni tamu, bro. Water is sweet. Water is sweet, bro. We have to bath. Lazima tuoge.
We have to be clean.
We have to be clean. Unajua, by the way, kuoga ni kitu nzuri. Yeah. Kuoga inatoanga stress.
Yote, yani shida zote.
Everything. Yeah, we are bathing in the river. In the River Gucha. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I feel right now.
Okay. Yeah, we are bathing.
We're bathing.
Yeah, man. I can see.
You can see.
I can see the bathing is very amazing. The bathing is very amazing. The bathing is very amazing, guys. Yeah, woza. Yeah, bathing with the vibe.
Yeah,
With the vibe. Kindly stay tuned. Yeah, the bathing is very amazing. Amazing. Along Lilo. Yeah, man. Yeah, another one is there. Yeah, he's lying. Yeah. Along Lilo, guys. Yeah, very amazing.
Yeah.
We are bathing here, me and my friends. Yeah, everything is nice, everything is okay, guys. Kindly stay tuned. Yeah, the video is very amazing. Very amazing. This is how we bath in Africa. Yeah, no swimming pool. This is our swimming pool. This is our swimming pool. Yeah, very deadly. Yeah, man.
Coco, noma si
Noma. Very nice one. Ile ni shule. Hapo juu. Hiyo ni ploti. Uko. Wanasombeanga hapa.
Kumbira kwanga mbrown nini kila kwa kamera. Kwanga mbrown unaona
kabisa. Sasa acha nikuweke ujiintroduce kabisa.
Nadhani
penye mtu akisikia anasema this man is mwenye naita. Yeah, kindly guys, you can look the nature. Yeah, look the nature how it's look like. Look the nature, guys. There is a big building around. Big building is around, and there is and we are bathing. Another one is there in the water chilling. Yeah, just chilling and feeling better.
Yeah.
And another man is here. Yeah, man. Very amazing. Very amazing.
Deadly.
Very deadly. This is how we make it in River Gucha. This is how we bat, guys.
Yeah.
Wow. So amazing. And the water, look the water. Look the water here. Look the water. Oh my God. Oh my God, ona yule.
Something went bad.
Yani utadhani ni samaki, yeye amezoea maji.
Ndio kitu imenishika kwa miguu kwa
Ah, hapo ndani.
Nataka kunikana.
Yeah man.
Kutoka siaka.
Hapo ndani.
Ai bwana, imeshika hivi.
Woza, woza, woza. Woza, woza. Along Lilo. Hey. Woza, woza.
You have to guard it right now here.
Yeah, man.
You like it? Have you been? Hey, have you been? Hey, Noma.
Noma, noma.
Noma. Imagine if
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Woland, Woland.
Yes, sir. You are you.
Yeah, we gotta, if you wanna party, let's party! We are enjoying in the water.
Let's enjoy together,
tell
man.
them your name, tell them your name.
Oh, I go by the long Marvin Makeba.
Woza.
Here from Kisii town, Ogembo town.
Yeah, man.
We are under River Gucha.
Yeah, man.
Enjoying the vibe.
Yeah, man.
Through
Enjoy
that.
the vibe. Yeah, this is how we enjoy the vibe. This is how we enjoy the vibe of River Gucha. Imeenda? Mboka doba, mboka doba. Umeamuka uke. He's drying. Anakauka. Yeah, man.
you can guys talk here.
Is the salt out? Oh my God. Kumbe kuna sande hapo.
Kuna sanda hapa hivi unaweza ukachukua tutengeneza pesa tena.
Yeah, we can make money down there.
We can make money here around here.
Okay, guys. Yeah, stay tuned. Enjoy watching the video. Yeah, man. Na hiyo kijitini batting. Enjoying batting in the Gucha River. We are enjoying batting after long walk. Wambie vile tumetembea kutoka asubuhi.
Hi, Dan.
Yes, we are doing nature walk.
Yeah, we have, this is a very nice nature. Yeah, man.
Walking.
Yeah, man.
Long.
Here and there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Doing some walk through nature.
Through nature, you know.
Doing the
Yeah, you can see how the nature
environment,
is look
nature.
like. You can see how it's look like. It's look like. So amazing.
Around there is a
So
church.
amazing. There is church around. Oh,
This is a
this one.
church.
This is a
Gucha
church.
up in the Costco church.
Hiyo yenye naona hapo.
Yes, this is Gucha up in the
Oh,
Costco church.
guys, there is a church area, so we have to go church. Yeah, man.
Enjoy.
Yeah, man.
We enjoy together.
Yeah, man.
Yes. We love nature.
Where's yeah. It's not easy, guys.
Man, it's not easy.
It's not easy. It's not easy.
But you
We
can
love
fly.
natural things. We are like good.
Yeah, we have natural
Yes, we
goats.
love God.
The goats is just here, guys. Yeah, just feeding around. Yeah, we are
Enjoy with us.
enjoying with us. Natural river, natural water here. Enjoy! Yeah, man!
Yes, sir. Strong.
Woza! Yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Yeah, this is episode 3, guys, for River Gucha.
We appreciate, man.
We appreciate. Yeah, man.
Continue supporting us.
Continue support, guys. Supporting.
One life,
Support.
one people, one
One love,
nation.
one people, one nation.
Hello.
You know it, man. I want you to say it. Yeah, man.
One people.
One people, one love,
nation.
one nation.
Let's support it again.
Yeah,
Be
man.
with us.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our YouTube
Like.
channel.
Yeah, man.
We love love it.
The bathing is very nice.
Yes. Water is life, what you say.
Yeah, water is flowing. It's flowing.
This is nature.
It's nature. Look at River Gucha.
One love.
Look,
One love.
it's
One
nature.
love,
It's
people.
nature. It's nature.
One love.
One love.
One love.
Tell them to subscribe the channel.
Subscribe to our channel, brothers.
Jamaican Boy
and
Africa.
sisters. Boy
Yeah,
Africa.
man.
Explore the nature.
Big man.
Support.
Big up.
Hello.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Along Lilo.
Wrong Lilo.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We are batting.
We are partying.
This is very natural.
Yeah.
Appreciation.
Yeah, appreciation.
Man
Appreciate
raise.
much love.
Man raise. Man nation.
Yeah, man.
Hello.
Along
There is a
Lilo.
strong man for every strong man. Bob Marley
Yeah,
said,
man.
love.
A Rastafari never die.
Last time I never die. Never
If he
smell.
die, he
He never
never
smell.
rots. If he rots, he never smell.
One,
If he
one.
smell, he never. Oh my God.
Last time
oh
I'm
my
also
God.
good.
Are you my friend?
We are Rasta guy. We are Rasta man around the River Gucha.
Yes.
So kindly, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
We are here with my
Welcome
friend.
again.
Welcome
Next
again to
episode.
next video, next
As you
episode.
see, we welcome you all.
Yeah,
Your
man.
brothers.
Yeah,
As
man.
you see,
Yeah, man.
humble Africa.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Yes,
And
sire.
do that.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Big up.
Big
Big
up
up.
for all.
Aki here.
Yeah, so kindly, thank you, good people. Thank you, good people. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Welcome again to my next video. My name is Jamaican Boy Africa. I was here at River Gucha with my friends here.
Jasoja Malvo,
Yeah, man.
aka Malvin Makeba,
Woza.
out of Kisii, Kenya.
Woza.
We are together like
Yeah,
brothers,
man.
like
Together
sisters.
as one.
As you know,
Thank you for watching. Welcome again to my
Yes.
next video.
man raise,
Woza.
man nation.